Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Mr. G. Today we're going to go over Mission 5, Lesson 10 for Zern. We're going to be looking at the Tower of Power, as well as a little bit more after that, just to help solidify the learning we've done in the last 2 weeks and to clear up a few misconceptions and really help tie this up with a bow. So first it's asking me to prove that 6/9 is equal to 2/3. So we're going to be using our area models here to show that. So we have here 6/9 shaded in, and now I need to do the same thing with 2/3. So I'm going to first split this into 1, 2 thirds. And I'm going to color in 1, 2 of them. So you can see I have the same amount of area shaded in from here to here. There are of course other ways to prove this, but they want it done with just the shading and area model to start. So now we're going to use division to show this. So we're going from 6/9 to 2/3. So I'm going to refill in our 6/9 here. And I'm going to ask myself, what do I divide 6 by to end up with 2? Well, very simply, I divide by 3. And if I divide the numerator by 3, I have to divide the denominator by 3. That's again because what we're dividing this fraction by 3/3, it has to be equivalent to 1 whole, because we're not changing the size of this. You know, anything divided or multiplied by 1 is the same. It's the same as true here with fractions, even though we're writing 1 in a different capacity here. So let's see the next one. Okay. So use division to prove that 6/8 is equivalent to 3/4. I'm going to plug my 3/4 in here, and then we just move our 6/8 over. Those are the first 2 steps you have to do to help clear in these boxes. And this last one here. So again, I'm figuring out how to get from 6 to 3. I know I need to divide 6 by 2, and therefore I need to also divide 8 by 2. If I divide the top by 2, divide the bottom by 2, and yep, 8 divided by 2 is in fact 4. Let's look at the next one. Okay, so which area model shows 6/8? So let's look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have 8 pieces here. Let's double check the rest of them. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 8 pieces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it can't be this one. This one only has 2 shaded in of the eighths. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shaded in. Perfect. So now draw an area model to show 3/4. Okay, so 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces. Let's shade 1, 2, 3 in. Superb. So now prove the equivalence using division. So I have my 3/4 here, my 6/8 here. This is just like the one we did before. Now with area models to help illuminate that they are in fact equivalent amounts shaded in. 6 divided by 2 gives me 3, and 8 divided by 2 gives me 4. And they're both the same on top and bottom. Excellent. So I'm now going to do the bonus as well to help clear up a few things and work with maybe some larger numbers. So rename 16/20ths with the largest units possible using division. So we're dividing. So 16/20ths. Let's see what can be divided in this. I could, of course, divide by 2 because these are both even. Let's see if I can divide by 4. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. I think that's as close as we're going to be able to get that. Correct. Superb. Awesome. I look forward to seeing your work, and I will see you guys next time.